Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So in today's video we are back down by Ibo Spice. That's that vegan Ital space that we stopped at in Orange Street, Downtown Kingston. And of course we got Sarah. In Jamaica, you don't know, Sarah's gonna be on the back burner seeing Tiffany having all the good food and she'll go on and try some of the food. You see me? And at the same time, I like getting different viewpoints and different reactions. Plus I think today is porridge day, and also they did say that they were having like a meat street type of market thing. I hope we're not too late. It's about what, 2 o'clock?
Something like that.
Somewhere about 2 o'clock. If you guys need to find this spot, it's very easy. Let Google do all the talking for you guys. Just type in Ibo, that's Ibo Spice Portal, and it's gonna pop up and it'll give you accurate directions to finding this spot. And if you need to, it's right beside the Dennis Brown studio. There's a big whole photo with all the legends, well, not all the legends, but most of the legends in the reggae industry. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Remember to drop a like on the video. That's something that we always do. That's why you buy me a bag juice. And yeah, today's a planting. Yeah, it's really a planting. So we come out like 2 pieces of lime. So therefore some vegan food, you know. The polenta burger. Yo guys, today I'm back with the maestro, you know. People them love your knowledge, you know. You get them, you know. They love your knowledge, brother. You see me? So we're gonna put in order and hold some food, you know. So we're actually there at the meat street market. A whole heap of things there with us, like the spoon them one the guys have been requesting there here. I'll drop a link or get a link for him if you guys want to order directly from him, or you can get it from my website whenever I get more of those. Whole heap of things like herbs, you don't know, something again. Irish mash, seaweed.
To my roots right now.
Yo, it's a vibe. A bunch of people out there, but you don't know, I don't want to kind of. You see me? The video thing. Yo, I did in high school, I used to wear them so me.
You used to wear them so yeah?
Never used to wear them so me?
Well, yeah, but I think I like this one in specific.
Oh no, a waist beat that. No, I'm not talking. Chai tea, alright. Seriously, a waist, seriously, the neck one with a waist beat. Ooh, so, think forward, this is a spicy chai tea. I like how this looking and I like say, yo, it's food for living. It's everything them inside and move and thing. And this smells really good. It smells almost like a chocolate tea. You want to try it? I hear it's not, remember saying.
Oh, this is a tea?
Yeah, try tea.
Interesting.
Is there something moving? Oh.
Interesting.
It's like living food, bro.
I think it's a bed for this.
Get the bed. It smells so good. Like, more to taste some right now. Ooh.
This is interesting.
It smells like porridge more harder.
Yes, it smells like cinnamon in there.
Ooh, you're right. Explain the chai tea food. Come on, people might go on. No. Oh.
So the chai tea is blend of different spices.
Okay.
Chai is an Indian drink.
Indian drink.
Right. So you may know classic chai from any tea shop. It's a very, very popular drink.
Very popular.
Right. So some spices like coriander. Black pepper, cinnamon,
sauce I was seeing just now, like the milk, the molecules on the milk there.
Right.
Okay, got you.
Coconut.
Awesome. And there is my porridge over there. This is a plantain, banana. Yo, there's
Yeah, once you come off the live,
Type of
you
fancy.
just take your measure now. When you have to end the live and then save it. Yeah, so just take it.
Alright, so I'm gonna taste what this is like.
You get better with
Hold on, don't say a word.
You definitely taste the coconut
Don't say
and the
nothing.
spices that she
In a pop-up
mentioned.
market. See?
they
Look
get
for
the
the screen.
coconuts, they get the spices.
That's where you want to go on.
There's another cinnamon is definitely in there. It's really a tea, so I really don't need the spoon after all. But it's nice. It's really nice.
Alright, so this is the porridge. You guys know, so yo, me love porridge. You know? Porridge is definitely my vibe. What's interesting is just the way how they bounce up that shot. So you don't know with this type of bowl it's gonna rock. So this gives you some stability.
Come with me healing me.
We ready. We ready for it.
So you definitely know it's vegan. You don't get that that fatty type of feel that you get from the conventional porridge from the milk. But it's good. Sugar level isn't so sweet. It's just perfect. And you can definitely get the plantain, little granules in there, so you know it's plantain. I think the plantain flavor is the most distinct.
Can definitely tell it's vegan.
I'll be there.
It's really nice in it.
What's that? Alcohol?
If you're not looking for that fatty feeling, as he said, so you know that sweet, like you put condensed milk in there, this is the way to be.
Alright, I'll try this, I'll go try it here. Something about drinking out of this, like this is just... This is interesting. It's spicy. It's like something on my nose, like almost like a sweetie, like a type of a ginger sweet. Yeah, that exactly. Yeah, it's like the ginger candy. It's interesting. But for me, it's definitely it's a porridge for me. Yo, it's just interesting. That's her stool. It's just like suspended.
Herbs that we have in our environment, and they are way more potent. There's a lot of evidence to show that. If I had some of the herbs with me, I should have actually. But we have a lot of herbs around us, and they repackage it and pollute it in every kind of manner. That herb in its natural state, it's just fine.
So currently
And
they're doing on
herbs operate on different frequencies and vibrations. So this is why we're at the spiritual aspect of healing self, right? So all herbs operate on a different frequency vibration, and it brings about a certain energy. So it's like creating this is like writing a song. So with this rhythm and this information that has been constructed, when you take this into the body, you are
I'm not that
actually
much on the healthy side.
musically structure
But it smells really
yourself.
good.
So, yes, so it's like,
First bite.
they give us some liquid music. And your body start dance and it start operating in its natural state. It's balancing. Something like that. One second.
This one? Oh, yes, we're back.
I have finished my pie.
Now guys, this
Awesome. No,
this exceeded my
we're talking
expectations,
about
yes.
song in a bottle.
So you watched the video and you thought it was like, yeah, okay,
Yeah,
it's
you
good,
know.
but
I thought they were open to everything, but
And the drums.
it's just really good.
when I tell like, boss, I have like
And the
good
whole,
food now.
how you design
The
like
food and nice to
music,
shut my
how the
mouth.
body moves, and
No, it really tastes
thinking
good,
on it
guys.
on a physical level. So I was at the space where
There's so much flavor in there.
basically
The
giving
sauce.
you a comparison with a song.
But them say them call this again? The palito.
Polenta.
Polenta.
Polenta is like
Herbs
ton
have
corn meal,
information
but them
and
seasoning nicely.
instruction
You know?
and design to heal a particular
Now like guys,
thing.
take a look on the
So
inside.
when you
Like,
put and you concoct everything
which is so
together,
good.
you actually create a song.
So much
And
happening.
it's beautiful when we're able to
I really didn't expect it to
balance
taste like this.
ourselves. We have the heavy lifter, so we do
And I went
free
back for my
radicals, fecal debris.
trust me, perfection.
You know about neem, bitterwood, rice bitters, bladder of Quran bark, water, eating is to remove all toxins from head to toe. So whether you're male or female,
With
it
food,
will give you a total
consistency is key.
cleansing organ, cleansing skin, cleansing
You go to the restaurant and try the food one time, come back the next day, and it's off.
cleansing stomach.
Food still on.
What we
Turn
should
right up.
understand, what we should understand is that 70% of our
The one difference you're getting, of course, is a natural dish, so the breadfruits are a little bit sweeter today,
gut is
but
out
still
of
good.
whack, if your gut is not clean, if it's not healing the cells. So this is the clean.
I know what polenta tastes
And
like,
then
I'm
we
good.
have the pretty up. I call it the decoration. So now we have step in and we have fixed back the furniture and all them supposed to them.
Set now.
Right, so it's like you have clean out the house now when you do some deep cleaning and sweep out the debris and
So
the
yours
this
is
and
more
that.
like the
And then you
sweeter-
take your water now and you
sweeter
wipe
side?
down wall and you clean up this and
Pepper in
then
there.
you go in now and you decorate and fix
Listen.
up and pretty up. That's basically what we're
Oh God, the
the
breadfruit.
whole design around cleaning our house.
That's what I like.
Because this
I wasn't
is
expecting
where we
none of this to
reside.
taste like how it tastes now.
We don't reside
Like
in our
I've watched the
building.
video with him and
We
Tiffany,
reside-
and yeah, it looked nice, you know. But you're still tasting it for
So
yourself.
you have to take care of house.
Different.
Trust
So it's very important that
you guys should come and taste it.
we create
You know, let me
balance
try the
in how
polenta
we're
because I want to see. I've tried polenta at fancy restaurants.
And go to from the bitters
Breadfruit for me.
healing and
How we're not sick, guys, is when we take in high vibrational foods. Like I have an amazing food here, alkaline-based
Out of 10, how
food
much
here
you
at
give?
Ibo.
10.
And
Vibes.
when
10
you,
out
when
of
you,
10.
when you
Vibes.
take these foods
Pepper?
in,
It's really
it
good.
raises
Trust
your
me. But
frequency
still
and
kinda shocked
vibration.
that's how it
Because whatever
tastes,
you
but
put into the body, you
it's really, really
become.
No lies over here.
No
Operating
lies.
on a
None.
frequency. And
I
a
can't believe
sickness
it tastes like this.
is coming.
Alright, so the general just come on ago and asked if you want
Herbs, we brew herbs.
and ask how the food was. Of course, food was exceptional. But there's one thing to know. Vegan food, as nutritious as it is, it's not going to hold you for a very long time. Like, this is something that I noticed. It's like the body just processed it like so quick. By the time you get home, it's just like, yo, hungry. Tiffany was just like, yo, she was so hungry. But that's a good sign. It just means that the body is able to, you know, break it down, use it, get all the nutrients that it needs, and use it and continue throughout everything. The other foods, them kind of just make feel, they're full of fillers. It's like fillers just to make you feel, your belly feels full, but it's not the best thing for you. But anyway, because of that, we're going to be ordering something else. So don't think that we're greedy. We're ordering something else because we know that. And I haven't eaten any breakfast, so that's going to be the vibe. Overall impression on the place as a whole, I mean, it's not the conventional restaurant style that people are used to or whatever. How do you feel the people that you're around?
Listen, as I said before, when I just came in, I felt like, you know, home. Even I'm not really that rooted in, you know, locks and everything, but I wouldn't expect it to look any different. I feel like this is exactly when you hear about vegan or Rasta food or whatever the case is, I just feel like this is a feel that you'd want to get. You're seeing handmade slippers, jewelry, the food especially is good. So one thing I'm actually surprised though, that this is in downtown. Like knowing what downtown looks like outside of here is a complete different look from what it is like here. I feel like I'm in the country,
True.
Yeah.
Even the temperature is a lot cooler.
It's cool. You're getting the right amount of oxygen. They have the I don't remember what that smoke thing is called.
Incense.
Incense. So it's definitely a vibe. I have the good chef here.
No chef.
No chef?
No.
Just the maestro, the man with all of the info. Is it so people order something from me already, Zine, but them say some people want to support you straightforward. Or them can get for order it and get it shipped to the US or whatever.
You can order it on Kingston Music Tour. That is the IG website.
Okay.
You can go up on Ibo Spice Portal.
Yeah.
That's another IG website. You can go on Beach Street Pop-Up Market. That's another IG website. So we're available at Beach Street Pop-Up Market, Ibo Spice Portal, and Kingston Music Tour.
Right. So if you guys want the fitters or whatever.
Yeah, if you want to live.
Yeah.
If you want to live, come here, so I make you show you how to live. Because the way all people are live now is not living. People also breathe because they have the instrument. They have the nostrils and the mouth and the nose and things. But I don't live it to that.
True that.
You know what I mean? So if you want to live, I can show you the indigenous way of live. I can go back into the indigenous way of living.
Sure.
Our ancestors that used to live. So other way that we have go back. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah. So I don't feel much thing. Love and honor.
Bless you.
Rastafarian last year.
Bless up.
Hey. Oh, think you're gonna
Yes, but so Downtown Christmas
tomorrow.
we go to Arimony Airport.
Oh, okay.
So Japanese.
Yeah?
Full joy.
That's the main course.
What exactly that? Chickpeas.
Yeah, you get a chickpeas in masala sauce. And you get some steamed veg, which is callaloo, and some coconut milk.
Me want that.
And you
Straight
get
up.
some green gungo stew, fresh green gungo coming out of the shell. And then you get some crushed food. You get crushed and bunsi yam, crushed like mashed potato and spicy. You get some fried breadfruit, you know what I mean, whatever you want with it. You know what I mean, together.
Want the same way. What you get, sir?
I think I want the breadfruit burger.
You want breadfruit burger?
Yes.
You want to try the smoothies?
Yes. Yeah.
Same for me too. Guys, look who's back. She cute, no? Like she consider if she was bark or not. Like, should I bark or should I not? She's adorable. Yep. So finally got him on the camera so he can represent for his business and brand. You guys know I have a website, soistore.com. The main reason for soistore.com is not necessarily, oh my gosh, I want to make this bunch of money from it. It's just a way to connect persons towards my travels. So I do giveaways or whatever the case is. And then if someone sees a product that they want to purchase from me and they find it a lot easier or they want to show some support to me as well, then that's fine. But you do hear all the Instagram tags that you can find them at. Or if you're in Jamaica, you want to fall down to Downtown Kingston and actually buy the things physically and just enjoy the vibes and the embracement that they have here, you guys know how to find it.
When you see people like me,
She just calm down.
Yeah, she just calm. I'm gonna tell you, it's really and true that thing about animals and myself. I don't know what it is. See? She just feel like she can just approach me nice and peaceful, no barking, smelling the good toes, Hey girl. Hey. Look up. Hey. She looks like she just gone full her belly, take a little nap,
No, she's very healthy.
and wake up.
Just looking at her, she's fed well. She's fed very well. I'm in Jamaica, you don't know, we see mongrel dog and a Canada on visa and stuff.
No.
This one doesn't need to go anywhere because she's well taken care of, obvious.
No processed food for you. Ital is vital, right? Yes. Yes. She could have seen it out, she would have seen it out.
No. I know sometimes you might see a dog on the chain in Jamaica is because they was stray. And a lot of the times I see on the road dogs like these, they get run over by cars, hit and stuff like that. So just for our own safety, is it?
Alright.
like vanilla there. Home,
Yes.
come on, it's like somebody pet me now.
And you look like you're clean too, you know? You look like you're...
Nice food.
Yeah.
That's one of the best.
Thinking too?
No.
No, start thinking too.
Alright.
Me know, come here conversation. Wild pineapple.
Yeah. So,
But I never see this in my life before.
Never.
well, tell the people them, so this is the original pineapple,
Okay.
right? This is called wild pine. This is what them inject and get the big pineapple.
Pineapple from.
So you see them big pineapple you see you eat,
Yeah.
where them slice up.
Yeah.
It come from this. So this is Indigenous, and this is the original, and this is the first pineapple before humans interfere with mixing up with plants and all that.
Genetics,
Genetics and all that. So this is pineapple, the real pineapple. Alright, it is sweet, very sweet, and it is very alkaline, very alkalicity. You only can eat like 2 or 3 of them.
I think-
it'll shock your tongue after.
I think the regular pineapple more acidic. More than acidic spectrum
Yes.
probably. You want to try one?
So
Yes.
this one is alkaline, fully alkaline. Alright, come on, Rasta.
Vibes. Wow, yo, I never seen that in my life yet.
David C.
Shock there. Ready?
I mean, I don't feel a shock, but it's really sweet, as you said.
Yeah.
And very acidic.
Not acidic. Alkaline.
Alkaline. No, citrusy is okay.
I'm gonna try it. Oh, but I almost feel like a hop smoke and a kind of but with. You get a shock and not that one.
If you eat 2 or 3, yeah, that's what the seed looks like.
Everything I eat, right?
Yeah, man, eat everything, everything. If you look on the pineapple, the pineapple cluster.
Yeah.
Right? And these are the things, these are what they call pineapple. If you really look on a real pineapple, you can see them here cluster up together. You understand me? So that makes the pineapple. So this is where the pineapple comes from. It's just like sour sap,
Yeah.
you have mountain sap. You know mountain sap?
No.
Mountain sap is an indigenous, it's original sap. That's where sour sap come from and sweet sap come from.
Okay.
Mountain sap. It's not domesticated like sour sap. You know sour sap domesticated?
Yeah.
And then everybody had mountain sap going to the mountain. So it's an indigenous fruit as well. Alright?
This tastes good.
Is that that?
You know they make a mean fruit there?
Yes.
That tastes nice when it gives one a little bit of it. That's why it's really nice, and the skin be like guinea, be like a hard guinea type of skin. Yo, that's a freaking experience. I swear.
It's a breadfruit burger.
Yo,
Give me another straw. This one will be
you can tell already this is a pack of punch. Yo, this is like, I think the experience that everybody should try to aspire towards in terms of not just here, but just going out there and trying different things and open your minds, you know, whether you want to believe information or not, it's good to have information accessible that you can choose to decipher, you know, which one is the truth or which one is not. And every time I've been here, it's my second time here, it's just a bunch of knowledge and just some eye-opening experiences that honestly I probably would have continued through life without realizing. The same way how persons drive past is very special gem and not realize how special it is, you know what I'm saying? So yo, I'm happy that my uncle introduced me to this place. Cheers, and I want your review on this. It looks thick. Them said there's some nuts in there, fruits, dates. This richer than Bill Gates. It's rich.
So you have that I don't want to say milky because I don't know the use, you know, but it has that effect along with the fruits, nice and chill. You know, sometimes some fruits would be a little bit overbearing.
Yeah.
Right balance. I'm not just say something but also like yeah?
Right.
This is the truth.
Actually,
This is the truth. And it's thick and rich, like you really have to suck it up.
Like when you look at it, you see it shaking and you think like, okay, it's kind of runny, but it's not. I don't know, it's kind of like maybe there's molasses in there, that gelatinous type of consistency that holds everything together. I'm sure molasses in this.
I guess you can ask. One thing I love about shakes though, I like to chew things. So the fact that I can get
Same.
to, you know, suck it up and then just chew.
That's why you're my best friend, and I swear, because
I must really thank Ibi for bringing me here, because just as how he was saying, you know, we would have drive past this place and not know that we have such a gem here, and you're accustomed to the whole fast food, you know, the KFC and all that stuff. But guys, trust me, what I had, the burger, I'm not telling no lie, is the real deal. And this, I feel like this can also, like if you want to go in the morning and you don't eat any breakfast, this feel like it can hold you. Yes, it definitely can hold
to
you.
give her honest reaction before, when the camera was off, she was like, Ibi, thanks for taking me here.
No, for sure. No, for sure.
My food just reached all. Yes, Lord. Look at that. There's a bunch of flavor happening here. You can see, I can tell this is coconut shreds already. This is beetroot. This is some from curry chickpea. This looks like kale. I think this is kale. Is kale? Oh yeah, sure. What is this? Bread pudding?
No, potato.
Potato pudding? Thank you. That was a. Thank you. So I get a serving of sweet plantains as well. The dish just become perfect a while ago because we all know any dish you plant sell off. It's a Jamaican thing. I don't know how I mix this up for bread pudding. That was the dumbest response ever. But anyway, potato pudding. What do you think about it?
No, it's really nice.
It's good?
Yeah.
Oh snap.
Yeah. No, a long time I eat potato pudding still, you know.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's compliments of the chef. I love it here.
I love it.
Alright, so go down in that chickpea. Oh, you see that?
But you know what, you can substitute for the flour.
For sure you said the burger wicked. Sarah had 2 burgers.
Why this because it's pretty man?
What's this?
This is a Malalo.
We have a planning food, but
And it's in slow
This is very nice. You're welcome.
Wow.
And the sweetness is perfect.
coconut milk.
I would say we sit down and watch and get the farm, don't
I get some fried. Today are Sunday, so we don't have the traditional rice and peas. We're not the program people. Where you have to have rice and peas and this and that on Sunday. You can have a meal like this
That
and
bad
still
now.
feel
And
good.
that may tell them on the
But
line,
some
but
poor
you have
people
to
now,
have that.
normal people, if they not eat rice and peas, they not
And you
feel
just
good with
feel
themselves.
different when you drink it, don't it? It's very high
Yeah.
hydration.
And let me tell them what I want. Rice rice trap mucus in here. So rice and flour, it trap mucus inside of your body. Right? And it make you sick. You understand me? So whether wild rice, black rice, pink rice, all rice trap mucus in your body. So we have to stop eat rice now. Rice is compromised. Right? Rice compromised though. It's not like 10-15 years ago we could get natural rice. No, there's no real rice no more. Right? So you have to go back to the indigenous way of eating food now. So you see that Sunday meal here? If you want to live, come on Jamaica. As I tell you, if you want to live,
Yeah.
come here. It don't make no sense to look good on the outside and you're inside, you're sick inside. You're
I like
dead
I said,
inside.
I like I said last time, your body is your best
You know what I mean?
investment.
Your body is the most important thing you ever own. Not your house, not your car.
Straight.
You understand me? So only you alone can take care of your body.
Right.
Right? So if you want to live, come on yard. If you want to live,
Facts. Yo.
Your body is the only asset, guys.
Straight up.
Only asset. Without it, you cannot achieve anything.
Nothing else.
You can't enjoy nothing. You can't fix nothing. Like, what's the point? When you feel sick, isn't that the worst thing?
That's the worst thing ever. Yo, I get like very earthy and smoky.
You know me, I feel nice.
Them herbs there, beautiful.
Well, like my cousin over there say, oh, wait.
Of all the
Me
herbs
and
that
we not
they
share
have
about
on
water.
top.
You would have money yet. To buy no one a plate.
And it's funny, when I'm looking at the actual breakdown, is there a reason why Spirit giving them herbs?
No, man, I like.
You know, because it matches
The way how
exactly
it
with what
places.
it's supposed to do.
The composition of it is it doesn't. This that the curry sitting there with it, the chickpea.
It's like as I put it in my mouth, it tastes the whole spice, you know, trust me guys. But I mean, I'm probably one of the worst food review, but just know when things taste good. You miss the okra in this?
Eh?
You miss the okra in there?
Give me my fork. Sitting there, may I try find what? Wait, ask all of them?
If you miss the okra in there, because the first bite,
I think I'll put it in there.
feel.
It's one of those dishes that has so many components in it. I can tell you, like, overall, you're getting the beans, you're getting the smokiness from it. Spices there. I can tell down here they like using spices. Spices here, of course. You can get the fibers from all these stuff here. My favorite part is this. I think this is like a masala. Wow. And the best for last.
Yes, baby.
You have asked me already if this nice. You already know.
So, I guess you gotta go vibes in those, you know? So the food has spice in there. I believe spice is good for, you know, heart conditions. It helps with health, right? So it don't know sorrow or some water. So, you know, the boss come back and say, yo, if everything good, so we say everything blessed. But we can't get 2 bottles of water. And the boss is just like, yo, the water that we have, they catch it from the mountains. Bro, it's like legit mountain spring water. Is it me that we are gonna consume right
the water
now?
come from out of the mountain, right?
Yeah, I know.
I want to drink bottled water. I want to drink pipe water. So it tastes different.
It
So it
does.
comes from the east, out of the spring.
It does. It's different.
Thank you. So the indigenous way, you know, so the ancestors they used to drink water. You got the spring and catch water. They never have no pipe system.
Yeah, no, the bottle company
Yeah,
about
so
them time.
the spring will go every 3-4 days. With the
You know-
spring.
You know, you drink the filtered water, you can taste the filtration. There's this type of thing to it. This don't have no taste. It's just water.
When you buy bottled water, right? Look at the bucket of ingredients in it. The reason why they have ingredients because when you get the water from the source, like from the spring, it loses alkalicity after 72 hours. So what them do now, them put them own mineral, them put them own salt in it and all these things to get a preserve, a life shelf. So you might buy a bottled water, but it might be on the shelf for 2 years, 3 years.
True.
It might be a whole water you buy. You know what I mean? So you don't know where you buy. Somebody put some water in a bottle, label it, and you have to trust the label. But you see, we don't trust nobody right now. All the world around right now.
Facts.
So a bit lazy people would eat from microwave. So you see, we know we go straight to the source, get it, and prepare it yourself. You know what I mean? So spring water, the best water. You see, people who have prostate and them thing there, and travel with prostate and have other issues like cancer and them thing there, you need real spring mineral water. You know what I mean? Very important to get that.
Right.
Understand? And Jamaica have a whole heap of spring. But we rather go bathe in the spring more than catch water, go drink and them thing and wash clothes. We don't want to wash clothes in the spring for. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Go to the spring, catch the water, and you know what I mean? And live some life. Yeah. Indigenous.
Sarah, don't drink off your water already.
Bruh.
Yeah.
If them they bring it and never tell me say spring water, I would not have no. Like it feels clean though.
I honestly was thinking to get like a more earthy taste. Because you don't know where they come from, you know. But it's no flavor. I mean, not you know, taste like it come from no galvanized pipe or no plastic pipe or whatever. It just tastes like nothing.
I got my beads.
So your waist beads, isn't it?
Yes, you know.
So are you gonna wear it on the trip?
Yeah, get the belly in line.
So why is it burning in our sacrament? It have the essence?
So Christmas pie and
frankincense. It have essence. Matthew, Makana, it have essence. Repeat. The pine thing.
It's actually not a type of pine. Some people call it cedar, but it's not a real cedar either. It's a faux cedar, I think it is. I mistook it for juniper when I first picked it, but then.
So what kind of aroma or essence is it send off or brings?
Well, I wrote an article on it. When biota is burnt, it dispels anxiety and fear, reduces insomnia, stimulates the heart, and alleviates stress, fatigue, forgetfulness, absorbs bacteria.
Alright guys, so we just left out of Ibo Spice Portal, and I guess there's definitely a reason why it's called a portal, because it feels like a whole new world out here. Like it feels like I'm back in Kingston, I'm back in downtown. Inside there was like a cool, calm breeze. It's ridiculous. But anyway, it was fun. We got so many things. We got 3 burgers. We got my Ital meal. We got two shakes. We got the porridge and we got the chai tea. Do you guys know how much we spent just now? Drop in the comments if you can figure it out. Drum roll, please. Yeah, we spent 3,300 Jamaican dollars
For everything.
for everything.
No, I'm going to be honest. I was expecting to hear over 5,000 because you know these things are not cheap, you know. And as much as always earth and it's probably accessible, we all know that Ital is not cheap. So I wasn't, you know. I didn't find any problem dropping a $5,000 if it was the case, but 3,300 can't complain.
Sarah paid for the dishes. Like I went into my wallet and I took out $5,000 because I was like, yo, okay, yeah. But when she heard the price, she was like, yo, I got this. So
yeah, sometimes you have to know to treat a friend them, you know.
Yeah, see me. Anyway, I did pick up some of these, so if you guys want to get it from the soy store, you guys can just go to the soy store, it'll be there. I actually have a couple orders for these already, so yeah. But if you guys want to come down here and get them from them specifically or directly, you'll go ahead and do that. The location will be in the description box. Anyway, Sarah, the entire experience today hanging
really
with Soai. How was it? How was the vibe? How was the food? How was
Trust
everything?
me, it definitely, as he said, felt like a different world. Like I felt like I wasn't in Kingston. Felt like I could have just go down the road and go in one river. Cause after you eat that rich food and you have the incense and the music and you see all of the Rasta them, you know, you feel so alive. It's like you kind of come out of the whole rush of Kingston. It was just definitely a vibe, and the food was really good, guys. The burger slap, shell, everything about it nice, everything. And them something too, the shake, it's very filling.
My stomach
very
is
filling.
full.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, we are going to go on an epic adventure really soon. You guys been hearing that. Sarah is super excited about it. It's something that you guys have never quite seen me do before. You kind of have, but it's kind of... Anyway, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Drop a like in the video. And remember, keep it linked. That was 4 things, but whatever.